Welcome back to the Rome Tech channel. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Today we're diving into Nexo, found at nexo.com, a platform designed to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the world of digital assets. Nexo aims to provide instant crypto loans and high-yield savings accounts, effectively allowing you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. This presents a compelling alternative to simply holding onto your digital assets, potentially offering a significant return on investment. The premise behind Nexo is relatively straightforward. Users deposit their cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported assets, into their Nexo account. These deposited assets then act as collateral for loans. Need quick access to cash? Nexo extends a credit line based on the value of your deposited crypto, allowing you to borrow against it without selling your holdings. This is a particularly attractive feature for those who believe in the long-term potential of their crypto investments and wish to avoid capital gains taxes triggered by selling. On the flip side, Nexo offers interest-bearing accounts for your crypto. By depositing your digital currencies, you can earn a passive income, similar to a traditional savings account, but often with considerably higher interest rates. This makes Nexo an appealing option for investors looking to maximize their returns within the crypto space. Nexo emphasizes security and regulatory compliance as key pillars of its platform. They employ robust security measures to protect user assets, including advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication. Furthermore, Nexo aims to operate within existing regulatory frameworks, providing a level of transparency and trust often lacking in the decentralized finance landscape. However, like any financial platform, especially within the volatile cryptocurrency market, it's crucial to conduct your own thorough research before committing any funds. Understanding the associated risks, including potential market fluctuations and platform-specific vulnerabilities, is essential. While Nexo strives to offer a secure and regulated environment, the inherent risks of the crypto space should always be considered. So, whether you're looking for a quick loan against your crypto or seeking a high-yield savings opportunity, Nexo might be a platform worth exploring. Be sure to visit their website, nexo.com, to learn more about their specific offerings, terms, and conditions. Remember, always do your own research and invest responsibly.